Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for images. First, navigate to the Canva website or open the application on your device. You will then be prompted to log in or create a free account. Once logged in, you can immediately begin exploring the vast library of design options available. This platform makes image creation accessible for everyone, regardless of their design experience, allowing you to quickly bring your visual ideas to life. Now, let's dive into creating your image. Begin by selecting a design type, such as a social media post, a presentation slide, or a poster. Canva provides dimensions for over 100 different formats. You can then choose from a pre-designed template or opt for a blank canvas to start from scratch. The intuitive drag-and-drop functionality allows you to effortlessly add and arrange elements, making the design process smooth and enjoyable. Once you have your basic layout, it's time to customize and enhance your image. Canva offers extensive options to modify colors, fonts, and element sizes, ensuring your design aligns perfectly with your vision. You can also apply various filters and effects to give your image a professional finish. Don't forget to upload your own photos or brand assets to truly personalize your creation, making it uniquely yours. Finally, after perfecting your image, it's time to download and share your masterpiece. Canva allows you to export your design in several popular formats, including JPEG, PNG, and PDF, catering to different needs. You can also share your creations directly to various social media platforms with just a few clicks. All your designs are automatically saved in your account, providing easy access for future modifications or sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.